Welcome back to the Best AI Tools channel. In today's video, we are going to explore a very exciting tool that I recently came across. This tool is called RightHuman AI, and it has the ability to transform AI-generated content into something more natural, relatable, and virtually indistinguishable from human-written text. If you are a content creator or a marketer using AI to generate content, RightHuman AI is definitely a tool you don't want to miss. In this review, I will provide you with a detailed look at RightHuman AI, how to use it, its key features, pros and cons, and help you decide if this is the right tool for your needs. What is RightHuman AI? To get a better understanding of this tool, let's first explore what RightHuman AI is all about. RightHuman AI is a tool that helps you humanize AI-generated content. Essentially, it helps you take AI-written articles that may be detectable by AI detection tools like ChatGPT and turn them into natural human-like text. With RightHuman AI, you can easily edit AI-generated articles so they read as if written by a real person. Imagine this scenario. You use ChatGPT or Perplexity to generate an article, but the content still feels a little cold and lacks smoothness. This may cause the article to be flagged as AI-generated, especially when you need high-quality content for SEO purposes or blog posts. That's where RightHuman AI comes to the rescue. This tool allows you to seamlessly transform AI content into smooth, readable, and natural text, making it harder for AI detection tools to flag it. This is why I believe RightHuman AI is an incredibly useful tool for anyone looking to optimize their AI content. Key features of RightHuman AI humanization. The humanization feature is the core strength of RightHuman AI. When you paste content from AI tools like ChatGPT or Perplexity into RightHuman AI, the tool automatically converts the text into a more natural, approachable, and readable form, just like it was written by a human. This is especially important when you want to avoid your content being flagged as AI-generated. When you use RightHuman AI, you will notice a significant difference in how the article is expressed. The sentences become softer, avoiding the rigid structure that AI often creates. Moreover, this tool also makes your content more coherent and engaging, making it easier for readers to connect with. AI detection. RightHuman AI comes with an AI detection feature that lets you check whether your content shows signs of being AI-generated. This is a super useful tool that helps you assess whether your content could be detected by AI detection tools like Originality 3.0. When you paste content into RightHuman AI and press the AI detection button, the tool will display a percentage indicating how likely the article is to be AI-generated. If the result is not what you hope for, you can continue using the humanize feature to make the content even more natural. Enhanced Model. A powerful feature of RightHuman AI is the Enhanced Model, which is available only in the paid plans of the tool. When you use the Enhanced Model, you will get the best humanization results. This feature uses more advanced algorithms to improve the naturalness of the text, producing better quality for longer or more complex articles. This feature is especially useful when working on content that requires a higher quality to pass AI detection tools, or when you need content that feels very natural and easy for readers to engage with. Markdown formatting. RightHuman AI also supports Markdown formatting, which is incredibly helpful for bloggers or website administrators. Markdown is a lightweight markup language that allows you to quickly create headings, paragraphs, lists, and other elements without needing to do much manual formatting. If you are familiar with writing on platforms like WordPress or Medium, you will find this Markdown feature very convenient and easy to use. After humanizing your text with RightHuman AI, you can easily export the article in Markdown format, saving you tons of time when editing content. How to use RightHuman AI. One of the things I like the most about RightHuman AI is how simple and easy it is to use. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can use this tool to humanize AI-generated content. Access the website. First, you need to visit the official RightHuman AI website. Paste your AI content. Once you have your AI-generated article from ChatGPT, Perplexity, or any other AI tool, simply copy the content and paste it into the RightHuman AI interface. Select the Humanize feature. After pasting the text, you can select the Humanize feature to start the transformation of your AI-generated content into something more natural. Select the AI detection option. Before you start humanizing, you can check if your article might be detected as AI-generated. This helps you understand how natural your content is before making any changes. Select the AI detection option. Before you start humanizing, you can check if your article might be detected as AI-generated. This helps you understand how natural your content is before making any changes. Export your article. After the humanization process is complete, you can copy the result and export it in your desired format, such as Markdown or plain text. If you're working with a long piece of content, you can also break the article into smaller sections to make editing easier. Pros and cons of RightHuman AI. Pros: effective humanization of AI content. You can easily convert AI-generated articles into natural, human-like content that can't be detected as machine-generated. AI detection. Check. The AI detection feature lets you know if your content could be flagged as AI, allowing you to tweak it for better naturalness. Enhance model. This feature improves humanization results, especially for longer or more complex articles. Supports Markdown, a huge advantage for bloggers and website owners who need to quickly format and export content. User-friendly interface. No technical expertise is required, making it easy for anyone to use the tool effectively. Cons. Limited word count in free plan. The free plan allows you to humanize only a limited number of words. If you're working on longer pieces, you may need to opt for a paid plan. High cost for Ultra plan. If you need to use more advanced features, the cost of the Ultra plan may be relatively high. Who can benefit from RightHuman AI? Students. RightHuman AI is an excellent tool for students who need to submit AI-generated essays or assignments. This tool ensures that your work maintains academic integrity while still using AI to assist with writing, eliminating any signs that it was AI-generated. Bloggers. Bloggers often rely on AI to generate content quickly, but AI writing can sometimes feel stiff and robotic. RightHuman AI helps bloggers rework their content, removing the telltale signs of AI and giving it a more natural, human touch, all while maintaining SEO value. Businesses. Businesses can use RightHuman AI to enhance their AI-generated marketing materials. Whether it's an email campaign, product description, or blog post, RightHuman AI ensures your content feels human and relatable, safeguarding your brand's reputation. Why choose RightHuman AI? Unmatched rewriting power. RightHuman AI utilizes cutting-edge NLP, natural language processing technology, to rewrite text at a deeper semantic level. This powerful rewriting ensures that your content is practically undetectable by AI detection systems, making it ideal for anyone looking to make AI-generated content appear human-written. Total bypass. Guarantee. RightHuman AI guarantees that your rewritten text will pass undetected by AI detection tools like Turnitin, GPT-0, and other software, giving you peace of mind that your content won't be flagged. User-friendly interface. RightHuman AI has an intuitive web platform that requires no downloads or installations. It's easy to use, making it accessible to everyone, from beginners to experts. Discover the future of AI content creation with RightHuman AI. RightHuman AI is revolutionizing the way we approach AI-generated content. By enhancing the quality and authenticity of AI writing, it allows you to create text that reads naturally and avoids detection by AI content checkers. Whether you're a student, blogger, or business professional, RightHuman AI is the tool you need to elevate your content while maintaining its human-like authenticity. If you're ready to take your AI-generated content to the next level and ensure it's indistinguishable from human-written text, RightHuman AI is the future of content creation. Elevate your material and stay ahead in the ever-evolving landscape of AI and writing. In conclusion, RightHuman AI is an incredibly useful tool for anyone looking to produce high-quality, smooth, and natural content from AI-generated articles. If you're a content creator, especially in the fields of SEO or blogging, I believe RightHuman AI will be an invaluable tool to help you create more engaging, human-like articles. Though it does have some drawbacks regarding pricing and word limits in the free plan, WriteHuman AI is still a fantastic investment for those who need high-quality content. If you'd like to try this tool, be sure to use the link in the description to get a discount of up to 50%. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos from the Best AI Tools channel.